Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Self-installed chain link fences are prone to a whole host of problems, including uneven alignment or spacing. The top rail shouldn't slope even if your yard does. Hinges should line up evenly with each other, and the gaps between posts should be identical.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Traditionally, chain link fences are held in place by buried posts surrounded in concrete. However, it is possible to install a chain link fence without concrete. With a hole that is the proper size, either gravel or a polymer backfill can keep fence posts in place for many years.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Using a paintbrush and a good paint roller is an easiest, fastest way to paint the chain link fence without worrying about the oversprays and paint wastage. So, it's best to use a roller on the chain link mesh and a paintbrush when you are painting the chain link fence posts.
Take our lead.
In the accompanying photo you'll see all the parts you'll need to buy for your framework and how they fit together. Dig post holes 3 times wider than the post diameter, 6 to 8 inches for end and corner posts, 4 to 6 inches for line posts and 1/3 of the length of the pole plus 4 inches for gravel.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.